Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In this video, we will see the concept of a standard form, how to change an ordinary number into standard form or in a standard form into an ordinary number. So this form which you can see at the moment on the screen is called ordinary number, right? But what is a standard form? If you write a number, something like this, for example, 2 into 10 power 5, this is in a standard form. If I write, for example, 2.3 into 10 power minus 4, this is in a standard form. Before decimal, the digit you will have here will be from 1 to 9, any digit. So I can have 9.3 into 10 power 5, right? So this is called a standard form. So we will see how to change ordinary form into a standard form. So let's see one by one. Number A, 85,300. Right now when you do not see decimal here, actually it is at the end. So you have to bring this decimal here. So this number should look like 8.53, right? Into 10 power something. Now what is that something? Now must remember one thing here. When we multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000, the number become bigger, right? So if I have 2.3, I multiply by 10, it will become 23, right? The decimal moves right. In this case, 8.53, you want to multiply it by 10 power something so that it is equivalent to 85,300. So if you see decimal is here in this case and it has to jump 4 places to the right, right? So this will jump 4 places to the right, only then you will get 85,300 back. So you should write here what? 4. Because 10 power 4 mean decimal will jump 4 places to the right. Okay, so let me just erase this. Let me make the screen a little clear. This was just to explain to you. So this number 8.53 into 10 power 4. Why? Because this decimal will multiply by, this number will multiply by 10,000. 10 power 4 means 10,000. It means the decimal here will jump 4 places to the right and automatically I will get this question. So now let's do this one. Right now decimal is here. You want to change it into standard form. So this will become 5.27 into 10 power what? That you have to decide. So again, this decimal should go how many places to the right? If it is here, if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it has to jump 7 places to the right, then you will get this question back. So it is 5.27 into 10 power 7, right? Positive power mean decimal will go right. Negative power mean decimal will go left, because negative power mean you are dividing it. Now let's see part C. Right now decimal is here, but where do you want? You want it here between 2 and 3. So basically you want to change this question into 2.3 into 10 power something. But now when this 2.3 will multiply by this thing, decimal should go where? Left. Why? If it will go left, only then you will make it equal to the question. Now how many places it should go to the left? If you count from the question, 1 digit, 2, 3, 4. So that's why you will write here minus 4. 10 power minus 4. Can you think about D now? What it will be like? So now decimal should be here. It should be 9.4 into 10 power something. Now what is that something? If your decimal is here, it actually has to go back here after multiply by 10 power something. So how many digits are there in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is minus 8, because now it has to go 8 places left, then you will get it back, because you're writing two numbers equal. Okay, now let's see how to change standard form into ordinary form, right? Now here 4 questions are given. 9.6, let me change the color. 9.6 multiply by 10 power 3. Now this is positive 3. It means the decimal in the question will go to the right. So if it is 9.6, right, it will go 1, 2, 3. So it will come here. And these empty places will be filled by zeros. So this will become the question. Similarly, when in part B it is written only 4, actually decimal is here. That's why it is not written. When it is not mentioned, it is on the rightmost. Now you are saying 10 power 5. So this decimal which you can't see, which is on the right side, will jump 5 places right because it is plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So decimal will come here. So these empty places will be filled by 0. So what it will be? 400,000. Right. Now let's see part C. It is 2.8 and it is multiplying by 10 power minus 4. It means now this decimal will go 4 places to the left because it is multiplying by 10 power minus 4. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will come here. So these places will be filled by 0. So it is point. And you know, then convention is that you mention another 0 before that. Let's see part D. It is 1 times 10 power minus 6. You can't see decimal. It means it is on the right side. Now you will make it jump 6 places to the left, okay? 6 places to the left. Let me write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means it will come here. So how many zeros? 5 zeros will come here. So it is point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So this will become your ordinary form. So I hope you understood this. You need to practice more. And I am giving you one extension. What you will do in this case? If you don't get it, so don't worry. We will do more questions on it. But I just want to extend the learning a bit. Whenever there is addition or subtraction sign between two standard forms, you have to factorize it. Remember it. There are other ways also. Sometimes a student change the whole question into ordinary form, add the numbers, and then change into standard form. It's not wrong, but what if there are power 16? So you will have so many zeros and you can make mistake. So the best way is to see what is common right now. 10 power 6 basically means 10 power 5 into 10 power 1, right? Because 6 is what? 6 is actually equals to 5 plus 1. So if you see 10 power 5 is common, I can take it out. So what is left from here? 3.2 is left from this side. Plus sign will come as it is. From here 4 and 10 power 1. Yes or no? 4 and 10 power 1. Why? Because 10 power 5 is already out. So from 6 only one thing is left. So now I will solve within the bracket. 4 tens are 40. Sometimes a student make mistake and they add this first. Don't do this. You remember BOD mass, bit mass. So you always multiply first. 4 tens are 40. After that you will add. So it will become 43.2 into 10 power 5. But this is not the standard form. Before decimal, I have 2 digits, whereas I should have only 1 digit. So now if you see your 43.2, how can you change it into a standard form? We have just seen in the above parts. This decimal should be here. So actually this number should be like this, right? But it will multiply by 10 power something. So what is that something? When it multiplies, you get this number back. It means it should jump 1 place right and then it will be equal to the given question. So I write here 10.1. So instead of 43.2, I will write 4.32 into 10 power 1 into 10 power 5. Now according to law of indices, base is same, you will add the power. So it will become 10 power 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is your standard form. So thank you very much for watching it. Please share it with your friends.